bleeding the radiator. Try to see what happens when the temp gets past 210. Got a couple air bubbles. There's the air bubbles. See if the antifreeze will drop, and if not, I'm gonna have to change the thermostat.